Hey, it's Joel from FenV Guided Expeditions, and I'm here to talk to you about a couple of things around wheels and tires. Before you do anything in terms of work on those, I would recommend getting a good pair of gloves. The other two little trinkets is a good tire gauge. You absolutely want to get one. This goes up to 160 PSI. These tires are going somewhere between 90 and 100 in most instances. This is a tread gauge, and so this measures the amount of tread on each of your tires, and I would monitor that throughout your journeys periodically, no different than checking your air in each of those tires, and so make certain that you've got that equipment. The other is, on these tires, they're Beadlock tires. There's 3 sets of lug nuts. Anytime you're taking the tires off, you're using the middle set of lug nuts. And this is a 24 millimeter socket. I've bought an entire set of sockets for this. The other couple things that you're going to want is a good impact wrench or impact gun, and then extension. This extension is really helpful on the rear when you've got that deep pocket you've got to get into. So make certain you've got these 3 together. The last thing that I would just put out there is, once you've got these lug nuts off and you're trying to get the tire off, sometimes they get stuck. I would highly recommend getting a sledgehammer. This is probably 3 or 4 pounds, but it's helped me out quite a bit. And you're going to want to hit the tire, not the rim on this, and make certain that you've got enough space to swing this in there. From a safety perspective, I would say these tire chucks are absolutely imperative that you have these. You don't want this rig rolling, and so whenever you're working on either taking the tire off to change it or for rotation, make sure you've got a good set of those. The other piece that I would suggest is making sure you've got a torque wrench. This is a 200, when you put this back on, 200 foot-pounds. When you're not using this, make certain that you take any of the tension off of the spring inside. From a longevity perspective, a torque wrench will last a lot longer. The other is anything you want to do around tire repair, sidewalls, any sort of puncture or valve stem. This is a packet that I've gotten from Glue Tread, and they did a packaging with Factor 55. It's got everything you'll absolutely need for your tire repairs. The only other thing that I don't have out here, but I have it in my rig, is a bottle jack. The bottle jack is a 12-ton hydraulic bottle jack that I got at Harbor Freight as well, and I would suggest making certain you have one for yourself to be able to get this rig up, and that will absolutely be something you'll need. And so here are just some of the tools that I have in my rig, but specific to the wheels and tires, and hopefully that was helpful for you.